doggy!
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Police vs. Wild Animals. Bodycam captures everything. Today's video features a collection of dramatic encounters between police officers and wild animals. From daring rescues to incredible moments of quick thinking, you won't want to miss. Police body cam footage captures the intense moment an officer wrestles an alligator right outside a family's front door before safely relocating it. A Florida police officer carefully guides a family of ducks across a busy area, leading them beneath a patrol car and across traffic to safety.
Hello.
Police body cam footage from Florida captures officers chasing down an escaped kangaroo after it roams through a residential neighborhood. Police body cam footage shows officers using a box of McDonald's French fries to lure an entire herd of goats off the roadway, restoring traffic safety.
Where you at?
He fell off the backside underneath the front.
Come on, stay down. I will put you right here for right now.
Police body cam footage captures officers stopping traffic to help a bear safely cross the road in Utah. Body cam footage records officers subduing an alligator blocking the entrance to a family's home before releasing it back into the wild. Police body cam footage captures a Texas officer catching a snake with his bare hands after it appears in a residential neighborhood, then safely releasing it into its natural habitat. Police body cam footage shows an officer and a kind-hearted citizen rescuing a family of geese stranded on a highway, helping them cross safely. Police body cam footage captures officers chasing down an escaped sheep after it wanders onto Interstate 94, creating a serious traffic hazard.
Yellow. Stop.
Bodycam footage records the heroic moment an officer jumps into an icy lake to rescue a dog that has fallen through the freezing water. Police bodycam footage follows officers as they chase down and rescue an abandoned pig wandering along the roadway.
You want to right? Throw the right. Okay, we go.
Bodycam footage captures officers rescuing an escaped miniature donkey before safely returning it to its owner.
Stop, Rocky!
Police bodycam footage records officers tracking down a lost camel and safely reuniting it with its owner. Bodycam footage captures a Chicago police officer diving into Lake Michigan to rescue a dog trapped in the freezing water.
Come on. There we go. I need you to stop. I need you to stop. No.
Police bodycam footage records a hilarious pursuit as an escaped cow keeps Arizona officers running in circles. Police bodycam footage captures officers rescuing a skunk with a plastic cup stuck over its head after it wanders through a neighborhood. Bodycam footage records the touching moment a loyal dog protects its owner, forcing police to temporarily stop traffic in New York City. Two police officers rescue a moose trapped on thin ice, only to watch it repeatedly slide back into the dangerous area. loose cow on a Los Angeles freeway brings traffic to a complete standstill, creating an unbelievable scene in the middle of rush hour. Thank you for watching until the end. Which encounter did you find the most intense or unforgettable? What other police versus animal encounters would you like to see next? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.